Hello everyone, I just wanted to make a small tutorial on how to private your chests on Save Minecraft. So, there's already a way to do this, but I don't think it's really commonly known. So I just thought I should upload this video for maybe players of Save Minecraft or other people who might use the plugin. So yeah, I'm going to give a little example on what to do basically. So say for example, if I have this chest right here. Of course it's a private chest. But let's say if I wanted one of my friends to come and open this, simply what I'll have to do is just to do /unlock. However, if I do this, it's now a public chest, so therefore anyone can look through it. And of course, no one wants that because you want you want your stuff to be secure and whatnot. So there's this really useful command that you can do on the server, where you can basically trust people with it. So say if I wanted to do this command /LWC create private, and then let's say I wanted to trust Jellian Squidward. He's one of the staff members on the server. So of course, if you enter that command, it'll say lock type private, please left click your block to lock it. So of course this will lock my chest, but it will register the rights. So what it means by registered rights is that means for that player alone, that means me and them can unlock this chest. So that command basically means that I can open the chest, and so can my chosen player, in this case it's Jellian Squidward. And of course, if I wanted to remove the permissions for this chest, I'd just literally just break it, and I'd place it again, and it'll reset the whole thing.